Hello, good morning. It's also my birthday today, and it was Mother's Day yesterday, and it was also an election day today. It's actually election day. It is day something of our world, and today we're just gonna go get some breakfast, and after that we're gonna do some exploring. We're gonna be Dora the Explorer. Let's go get some breakfast. Okay, plan update. We are going to the arcade because it's my birthday, so we're gonna go to the arcade. We're actually near at the mall at the moment. And then we were planning to ride ATVs, like the ones in Bohol. However, you have to be 18 if you want to actually ride one. Why? Because it's the law, but I, I, I don't explain this. I do not explain any of this. But anyway, all good now. We're going to the arcade. Wishes. I can buy myself flowers. The whole water bottle collection. The dream of water bottle people who like to buy water bottles, including stainless steel ones. One's named Kylie. Whole tong set. There's even a set there, but oh, look at all these things. Huge. Look at all these frying pans. Without a hand. More frying pans. It's a lot of frying pans. Even this section, they got a lot of plastic lids. Then they got a bunch of. Forgot what they are, but look at all them. Look at them advertising Sheen. Okay, so we brought this random massage thingy that's aggro in our place. We're gonna go to the arcade now. Cue the music. I believe. I believe. No. Liz. Okay, I'm a bit again. Hopefully I get something good. Hopefully I get something good. Please let me get something good. Liz. Oh my god. Yeah, there goes all the tickets. Okay, so we're back from the arcade and we have 701 tickets and we spent them on 2 keychains. One I'll be giving it to someone. So now we are just exploring the supermarket because we're going to get a couple of things as well while we're here. So let's just get a few things. Okay, I figured either I should get chocolate or I should get those. Because I don't want these because I don't know. Oh, there's 10 of them. I'll get one strawberry. Actually, I'll actually get strawberry and chocolate. Turns out this vanilla was the most disgusting thing ever. We have. Look. To the goods as usual. But about poor expensive, but super tons of stuff. Lots and lots of stuff. But now we're gonna get back to the hotel with this bag. And I gotta say, I had fun today at the Q Zone. Lots of things were broken. Machines saying out of tickets, out of tickets. But we did pretty good. A little bit later from there, but we did have 701 tickets. I spent on two keychains. But now we're gonna head back to the hotel after who knows how long, and we might go for a swim later, and I might go for another walk. Let's go. Town Centre Boracay, here we are. We're gonna be walking and seeing what we're gonna have for dinner tonight. Looks busy. Macca's it is. Okay, so we found a seat and now we will be waiting. Um, the air con is leaking behind me, so now we're gonna have to wait. And yeah, so we just wait for our food now. Okay, honest review about McDonald's. The place was absolutely filthy. The windows had bugs. The place that we wanted to sit, that was also leaking with water. Had to go upstairs. The food was not the most appetizing ever. Everything was so dirty. I'd rather go to Jollibee instead. Anyway, we're out there now, so that's good. So now we're just gonna keep on walking and exploring like Dora the Explorer. Jollibee, the place we should have went to instead. Sunset vibes, even though there's not much sunset, but this beach is so low tide. Luxury, right here. Dog, there's a dog there, and the beach is full of darkness. Look at all this water. This is like low tide, slowest tide I've ever seen in my life. Look at all this. In all honesty, you can't even see because it's blank. But I'll tell you one thing, it's starting to get a little bit wet. But this is my lowest tide of. Oh, there's the water down there. You can see it. Oh, what's that on this one? This is still how bright the ocean is, even at night. I can't even see anything, but I could see people there, and then I can see the water down here. This is the lowest of tide. It's the lowest of tide I've ever seen. That's how close I can get. Wow. Goodness. See, we're right here. The beach. All the way down there. About like 200 meters away. Oh, wow, look at it. Hello, it is now fallen night. Now this is going to be like pain here. Tomorrow we're going to be doing more exploring. So ATV riding, so that'll be very interesting to see what's going to happen. And now I'm going to head back to our hotel. So that's going to be it for the end of this video. I hope you did enjoy it. If you do, like and subscribe, and we'll see you the next day. See ya!